You want to be successful in the world of Caesar, in dollars and cents? Nothing wrong with it. You want to be a successful doctor, successful lawyer, I don't care what it is. You want to be? Well, then formulate in your mind's eye what it would be like if it were true. How would you see the world if you were now the man that you would like to be? See it in your mind's eye, and then yield yourself completely to the depth of your own being. How do I do that? Simply fall asleep in the assumption. I dare to assume that I am the man that at the moment reason denies, and then fall asleep in that assumption. I will wake tomorrow morning under compulsion to do certain things which I had not formulated, I hadn't determined. I'll find I'll meet the right people. I'll do this, I'll do that, I'll do the other, and it all adds up towards the externalization of my assumption. Do you know what you want, either for yourself or for another? Construct a scene which would imply the fulfillment of your dream. Enter into it just as though it were true. Feel what it would feel like if it were true. And give thanks to the one who is going to execute it. The depth of your own being. So fall asleep in the conviction that things are as you desire them to be. You know what you want? What would it be like? Assume the feeling of the wish fulfilled. Well, anyone can do that. A child can do that. What would it be like if it were true? That's meditating. Now yield completely. And the being within you will take that and externalize it for you. And simply enjoy it.